This is how you send an email directly to one person in ActiveCampaign. I'm going to log in. Once I log in, on the left-hand side, I'll be looking for the contacts icon. Looks like a couple of people. I click on that. It'll by default bring me the contacts. Now, you'll have a full list. I went ahead and filtered myself just to me, so that way I'm not showing everybody's personal info. But as you can see, I have a number of trial test logins here that I've set up. So I would go in here, and if I want to email myself or email a person directly, you see an option to the right hand side that says email. But actually go into the contact here, okay, and you will just type in your subject, type in your message, and hit send. And you've now successfully sent an email via ActiveCampaign directly. If you need any other help with technology, you need a team to take over this stuff, make sure you check out the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.